would you love to grow your practice? Would you love to double your practice this year, double your income? But one of the mistakes that I often see many practitioners, holistic health practitioners make is trying to double from the rear view mirror instead of where you want to go. And what can happen is it can actually feel really hard this way because the things that got you to where you are right now aren't the things that will get you to where you want to go. So that's one really important thing. Another thing is, do you have a vision that is bold and that you get inspired by? So, many times, if you really think about this, if your vision is achievable in this lifetime, then it's not big enough. And have you ever considered a bold vision, not just, I would love to see more patients and continue to help more people, but what would you love to see change about our healthcare system? And how could you play a role in that happening in a really profound way? And when we work with our clients, one of the things that we do is we actually look at, instead of doubling, we look at what is your 10x vision? What is your 10x plan? What is 10 times the people you're helping, 10 times the impact, 10 times the income, 10 times the flexibility, 10 times the freedom? So whatever is important to you, 10 times that, and then work your way back into a doubling plan, then everything becomes easier because it's no longer like growing your practice from the rear view mirror, but instead growing your practice from where you want to go. And you actually don't even need to reach your 10x vision. But if we actually go there and then work your way backwards into a doubling plan, things fall into place more easily. But one of the things about this is that it's not usually something that is really easy to figure out yourself, because many times we might have our own ideas about things and may not even realize certain possibilities that are there for us too, which is why it's super helpful to get help with this. Also, there are ways that you could be growing your practice and helping people that you may not be seeing yet, that someone who is a good mentor would see for you. So this has made a big difference in many of our introverted visionaries, mastermind members, and catapulting, accelerating their growth to multi-6 or 7 figures. And our clients have done that even in a 3 to 4 year time frame as well. And also, do you have the right business model in place? Do you have for this next level of growth? You might have up to this point, but do you have it for the next level of growth? Do you have the right team who supports you in this next level of growth? That way you can work less than you are right now and have more time freed up to be able to be the visionary, wear that visionary hat, and less of the admin stuff and less of the patient load, while having some of that responsibility be taken by someone else who could see patients and make money for you even when you're not there. When you're able to be in more of that CEO role, then you will be able to be more strategic instead of just going with the day-to-day and putting out fires as you see it. What you'll notice is that your practice will grow much faster than you just putting your head down and doing what you can. So at this stage of practice, it'll be really helpful to set it up for it to run without you, so that imagine if you decided, okay, I would like to take time off, then things won't be affected. You can work if you want to, but you also have that flexibility to take time off. And then if something unexpected happens, also that it won't have as big of an effect on your practice as if you didn't have things in place. For example, there was a practitioner who had always wanted to add another stream of income into her practice because she mainly just worked with people one-on-one, but never really got around to it. And it wasn't until she had this scare where it was totally unexpected, where she had to have eye surgery. I mean, she was perfectly healthy, and then all of a sudden she had to have eye surgery. And that ended up being a moment where it hit her like, oh, I need to take this a little more seriously, to be putting things in place to add another stream of income, so that regardless of whether I'm there or not, people are still being helped and money is coming in as well. For those of you who would love to accelerate growth to multi-6 or 7 figures the introverted way, you're welcome to either DM me or go to introvertedvisionary.com and book a free chat with us, and happy to see how we can help you grow it faster, your practice faster. Also, I'm doing an upcoming masterclass on the 7-figure formula. There is a path to 7 figures, and it's something that can be repeatable. So without you feeling like you're burning yourself out. I'm going to be sharing that in the upcoming masterclass. Click on the link to register for it and look forward to seeing you there.